The 2026 Mazda CX-5 continues to redefine what a compact SUV can offer by blending sporty driving dynamics with premium features and refined styling. Known for its sleek design, the 2026 model carries forward Mazda's signature Kodo design language, but with a fresh, modern twist. The front fascia features a bolder grille, flanked by sharp LED headlights that give the vehicle a more aggressive yet elegant stance. Subtle body lines and a sculpted profile enhance aerodynamics while maintaining the CX-5's signature flowing aesthetics. Available in a range of new colors and riding on stylish alloy wheels, the 2026 CX-5 effortlessly stands out in a crowded segment. Under the hood, the 2026 CX-5 offers a choice of powertrains designed to appeal to both efficiency-minded drivers and those craving a bit more performance. The standard 2.5-liter Skyactiv G engine delivers a smooth and responsive drive, perfect for daily commuting and long highway cruises. For those seeking extra power, the turbocharged 2.5-liter engine offers a thrilling boost in horsepower and torque, making the CX-5 feel more like a sporty sedan than a family SUV. Both engines are paired with a refined 6-speed automatic transmission, and Mazda's iActive all-wheel drive system ensures confidence on slippery roads or light off-road trails. Inside, the 2026 CX-5 shines with a cabin that feels more luxurious than its price tag suggests. High-quality materials, including soft touch surfaces, real wood accents, and available Nappa leather seats, create an upscale atmosphere. The ergonomically designed cockpit places controls within easy reach, while the updated infotainment system features a larger 12.3-inch touchscreen with crisp graphics and intuitive menus. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with a premium Bose audio system in higher trims. The cabin is spacious and quiet, with ample legroom for rear passengers and versatile cargo space that makes it practical for everything from grocery runs to weekend getaways. When it comes to driving dynamics, the 2026 Mazda CX-5 continues to set the benchmark in its class. The steering is precise and offers excellent feedback, while the suspension strikes a perfect balance between comfort and sporty handling. Whether navigating tight city streets or winding country roads, the CX-5 feels agile and composed. The turbocharged engine option delivers impressive acceleration, making merging onto highways a breeze. Despite its sporty nature, the CX-5 doesn't compromise on ride comfort, thanks to Mazda's G-Vectoring Control Plus, which enhances stability and cornering confidence. Safety is a cornerstone of the 2026 CX-5, with Mazda equipping it with a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance features. Standard safety technologies include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking.